Welcome to the ultimate guide on the best Rinnai Tankless Water Heaters. If you're in the market for endless hot water and energy efficiency, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll unveil the top Rinnai models to keep your showers steamy and your energy bills in check. Don't forget to check the description box for links to these fantastic heaters. Now let's dive in. Rinnai RU199 in Tankless Water Heater. Unleash endless hot water with the Rinnai RU199 in Tankless Water Heater. Compact and efficient, it warms water only when needed, conserving energy. With a powerful 11 GPM hot water flow rate, it offers uninterrupted comfort. Equipped with Circ Logic, it can pair with an external pump for speedy hot water via scheduled or on-demand recirculation. Install it indoors and relish Wi-Fi monitoring. Plus, it's backed by a solid 15-year heat exchanger, 5-year labor, and 1-year parts warranty. Rinnai RL94 in Tankless Water Heater. The Rinnai RL94 in Tankless Water Heater offers uninterrupted hot water with its Circ Logic technology that adapts to your usage patterns. Enjoy a high flow rate of up to 9.8 GPM, perfect for multiple fixtures. It's compact and fits in various spaces. Get peace of mind with residential guarantees of 12 years on the heat exchanger, 5 years on labor, and 1 year on parts. Consider the controller module for Wi-Fi control. Choose this heater for a continuous and reliable hot water supply with energy savings. Rinnai RSC 199 in Tankless Water Heater. The Rinnai RSC 199 features Smart Circ Intelligent Recirculation, adapting to your hot water usage for optimal energy efficiency and convenience. Despite its compact size, it offers an impressive 11 GPM hot water flow rate. It's versatile, with multiple venting options to fit various spaces. This tankless water heater provides limitless hot water and comes with a 15-year heat exchanger, 5-year labor, and 1-year parts residential warranty. For remote control, explore the controller module and enjoy smart, efficient hot water heating. Rinnai CU199 in Tankless Water Heater. The Rinnai CU199 is an advanced tankless water heater designed for high-use settings. It ensures uninterrupted hot water and prolonged performance. With a generous flow rate of 11 GPM and Circ Logic technology, customized recirculation patterns adapt to your habits. This compact and durable model conserves energy, heats water only when needed, and is backed by commercial warranties. Take advantage of Wi-Fi monitoring for remote control. If you seek reliable, efficient hot water in demanding environments, it is the solution. Rinnai V53 DP Tankless Water Heater. Meet the Rinnai V53 DP Tankless Water Heater for endless hot water. Compact and durable, it saves energy by heating water only when necessary. The unit provides a strong flow rate of 5.3 GPM. While professional installation is recommended, it offers convenience and efficiency. Enhanced scale detection ensures long-term performance. Enjoy peace of mind with an impressive 10-year heat exchanger warranty, 5-year labor warranty, and 1-year parts warranty. Opt for this heater installation to secure a dependable, energy-efficient, and space-conscious solution for your hot water requirements. Thanks for joining us in discovering the best Rinnai Tankless Water Heaters. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more home improvement tips.